Hey traders, here on the chart I spotted a descending triangle formation. It is one of the most accurate price action patterns that you must know. In this video I will discuss how to spot this pattern, I will teach you how to trade this pattern, I will try to explain to you the meaning of this pattern, and we will discuss different real market examples. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Alright traders, let's start with the structure of the descending triangle formation. Everything starts with the initial bearish impulse. Bears are pushing the market, but at some moment they face a strong horizontal structure support. From that structure support we see the retracement leg. Instead of setting a higher high, the market here sets the low high, and from that low high we see one more strong bearish movement. But instead of going lower, instead of setting a new structure low, the price respects the previous low. So here we get two equal lows. Then we see the retracement. We see the retracement, and this time the price sets the low high again. Then again the bearish movement, and again the equal low. So you can see that here the price is respecting the same horizontal structure support, and at the same time we see the low highs. And based on this low highs, we even can draw the trend line, the falling trend line. So that here we spotted the descending triangle formation. Yes, the pattern here is based on the equal low, the sequence of equal lows, and the sequence of the low highs. Why this pattern is called the bearish pattern? Why it is called the bearish accumulation pattern? Here, what is very important for us to realize is that the reactions of the price to that horizontal structure support determine the bias of this pattern. It means that, look, here is our initial test of that horizontal structure support. And you can see that here is our bullish rally. Yes, here's our bullish impulse. The second bullish impulse from the same structure support is weaker. Yes, and then the next impulse becomes weaker again. It tells us that after each test of that horizontal structure support, less and less buyers are willing to buy from that support. Yes, buying volumes are in decline. And what happens? At some moment, buyers lose confidence in that horizontal structure. No one is buying from that. And because of that, bears violate this support of the triangle to the downside, and most likely it leads to a strong bearish continuation. Hey traders, if you want to learn how to trade price action patterns, if you want to learn wedge pattern, head and shoulders pattern, double bottom, the triangle, you will definitely enjoy my ebook. There I teach you my entire trading strategy. There I teach you how I trade the price action patterns, from the pattern recognition to the entry level identification to stop placement to target selection. Everything is inside. You can look inside the book on my website. It is vasilytrader.com/ebook. The link in the description below. Please check it, and let's continue. And now let me share with you some tips about the descending triangle formation. First of all, you must remember that technically speaking, the market can stay within the boundaries of the descending triangle formation for a very long period of time. We may see the dozens of low highs, the dozens of equal lows within this descending triangle formation. And while the market stays within that, it is highly recommendable for us not to trade this pattern. We are waiting for the breakout. Our trigger here is the breakout of the support of the triangle to the downside. But at the same time, you must remember that to make this pattern valid, you need at least two equal lows and at least two low highs. Yes, remember that. Moreover, you must remember that some traders trade the bullish breakout of the trend line of the descending triangle. Yes, to them, the bullish violation of this trend line is a very strong bullish signal. But in fact, most of the time, here we get the false violation, the false signal. And after the breakout, the price tends to return to the support of the triangle. Look what happened with ADA altcoin. you can see that the market here formed the descending triangle formation, and at some moment the resistance of the descending triangle was broken to the upside, and you can see that after the violation, after its bullish breakout, the market immediately returned back within the boundaries of the triangle, and moreover then its support was broken, and after the retest we saw a strong bearish continuation. Also, you must remember that the descending triangle formation can be the reversal pattern and it can be the trend following pattern. Everything depends on the preceding price action. In case if the market grows sharply, in case if we see a strong bullish trend and at some moment the market forms the descending triangle formation, definitely it is the reversal pattern, and the violation of the support of the triangle leads to the bullish trend violation. Yes, and it is a very strong bearish signal for us. In case if the market was steadily falling, in case if we had a bearish trend and at some moment the price started to form the descending triangle formation, we consider the descending triangle formation here to be the trend following pattern, and the breakout of the support of the triangle leads to a bearish trend continuation. And how to treat the descending triangle formation? There are a lot of different techniques to treat that. The simplest is the following. First of all, as we discussed, we are waiting for the breakout of the support of the triangle to the downside. That is our trigger. Then on a retest, we sell the market. Usually the traders here apply the sell limit order. Yes, where is your stop loss? Your stop loss is lying above the last low high of the triangle. And where is your target? Your target is based on the projection of the initial bullish impulse within the triangle. We call that the range of the pattern. We project that like that from our entry. Yes, and here what we get? Yes, here we get a very nice swing trade. Yes, with 1.3 risk to reward here with this example. But of course, that is the simplest way. Yes, there are a lot of different techniques, and in the next videos, in future videos, I will share with you some advanced techniques of treating this triangle. Here on Cat Swiss pair, I see a very cute descending triangle formation. Look, first of all, here's our horizontal structure support. And then here goes our trend line, falling trend line matching the low highs. So first of all, we have two equal lows right here. Yes, and we have three low highs. So this pattern is valid for us. And look what is happening with the market right now. After the test of that trend line, you can see that bears lost confidence in this horizontal structure support, and we saw its breakout. Yes, it looks like the candle will close below this horizontal structure support. And what is our plan right here? As we discussed, the best strategy for us right here is to wait for the retest of the broken support of the triangle. Yes, so here will be our entry. Then, where will be our stop loss? We will set our stop loss above the last low high of the triangle. Yes, here it goes, and here will be our stop loss. And where will be the target? Very tricky right here, because as we just discussed, we can just measure the range of the pattern, project that, and voila, our target. But I would always recommend you to look left at structure. It is highly preferable for you to rely on structure on the left. The key level on the left must be your target. And the closest key level that I see is right here. Yes, you can see we have a very nice horizontal key level right here. And also a bit lower right here, we have one more key level. So you can treat that trading setup with the sell limit order. You can set your sell limit order on the retest of the broken support of the triangle, and here will be your first target, and based on that first target you will close 50% of your profits, and then the rest you will keep for the bearish continuation to this second goal, so you can catch a very nice swing trade right here. Alright traders, as I told you, the descending triangle formation is one of the most accurate price action patterns. Learn to spot it. Watch how the price acts within this pattern. Watch what is happening with the market when the price violates its support to the downside. You will be impressed how accurate this pattern is. If you want to learn price action patterns, don't forget to check my ebook, the link in the description below. Also, let me know what pattern do you want to learn in the next video. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next week.